Before nations, before civilizations, before even the earth, there was only the beginning. Across time, humanity has searched for the beginning, through science and through the imagination of ancient civilizations. From this vastness, a world began to take shape. No oceans, no forests, no life as we know it, only fire, rock, and time. Over immense stretches of time, the fire began to cool, water gathered, and the first great landscapes began to emerge. Millions of years passed, and the ancient land began to break apart. From Gondwana, one fragment began to move, northward, across an ancient ocean. Long before nations had borders, the land itself was still moving. And one piece of this ancient land began a journey north. And then, the journey reached its turning point. Land met land, and the earth's crust began to rise. A wall of mountains emerged. And as the land took shape, its colors began to reveal themselves. 3 colors, already living in the land. From these mountains, water began its long journey. Streams became rivers, and rivers began shaping the land. From the white of the Himalayas, water began its journey. And from its flow, a wheel of movement, carrying the spirit of a nation forward. From this land stand those who protect it. From the sky and from the waters, land, sky, sea, one India. सुरक्षा केवल सीमाओं पर नहीं होती, समुद्र की गहराइयों में भी हमारे प्रहरी सतर्क हैं। और आकाश में भी उनकी निगाहें हर दिशा पर हैं। देश की सुरक्षा के लिए हर ऊंचाई पर हमारी सुरक्षा हर दिशा में। इस धरती की हर दिशा अपनी एक अलग कहानी कहती है। To deserts and mountains, every horizon shapes the story of India. And then, the land became home. Along its rivers, people began to settle. And with them, architecture began. Kingdoms rose, cultures met, ideas traveled, and architecture absorbed them. Then came another layer. A peaceful awakened millions. Defiance grew in every street to finally claim our destiny at the dawn of freedom. Freedom gave India the chance to build. New institutions rose while searching for a new identity. India began planning not only its cities, but its future. हर क्षेत्र की अपनी जलवायु, अपनी सामग्री, अपनी संस्कृति और अपनी आवश्यकताएं हैं। इन्हीं से आकार लेती है भारत की वास्तुकला। And India began building self-reliance. And then, India looked to the sky. But India did not stop there. Cities expanded, technology changed how we worked, and changed how we lived. And architecture evolved with us. Today, India is changing faster than ever. Tradition and knowledge, it is being reinterpreted. Architecture keeps asking, what should India become next? But an architect sees more. People, climate, culture, landscape, and suddenly, a place becomes a possibility. First, We observe what the place is asking for. Then comes the idea. A line becomes form, and form becomes space. An idea must then meet reality. Material gives it character, climate teaches it how to belong, and people give it meaning. Architecture does not end when the building is complete. It begins when people and place and ultimately becomes part of its memory. What we build today must respond to the climate because the future does not begin tomorrow. It begins with what we choose to build today. India is moving forward. Every future begins with a vision, and architecture gives that place to belong.
ये वंदन की धरती है, अभिनंदन की धरती। ये अर्पण की भूमि है, ये तर्पण की भूमि। इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकड़ कंकड़ हमारे लिए
Of a nation building itself, different journeys, one India, 80 years of freedom, and still we build.